Hey filmmaker, Chung here. In this video, we're going to show you how to make more amazing landscape shots with the Zhiyun Smooth 4. Importantly is you want to avoid a shot like this. Even though it looks good, it actually looks more like a still photograph. What you want is to have a motion picture with actual movement in the shot. By using the Zhiyun Smooth 4 in the lock mode, moving it left or right, you can achieve a slider-like or a tracking shot, adding parallax movement to the shots. Also, it's important to make use of foreground objects to add movements to your shots, as far away objects does not move as much as closer objects. As a tracking shot without any foreground objects, it might still look like a still image. Also try moving your Zhiyun Smooth 4 up or down to achieve a pedestal or a jib-like shot. Instead of directly showing a shot, you can also tell a story by revealing a shot from behind a foreground object. You might think, why not just add the movement in post? However, you will never achieve the realistic parallax movements. Hope you found these tips quite useful. If there's any other filmmaking techniques you want to learn, please comment below. And if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button here below and make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. See you guys the next time. Bye bye.